Hi, welcome to EMS. In today's video, we are going to explain the website settings. So from here, you can click on this website setting link from the quick links, or you can go to admin settings. And here is the CMS setting. If you click on this, it will take you to the website admin panel where you can add more pages. You can change whatever you want. You can add photos, contents. It's all in your own hands. So first of all, in the first instance, we need to do import demo data. So we need to import the demo data, and demo data has imported successfully. Now in the first instance, we are going to do the settings from logo. First is logo, so choose the file to upload your logo. If I go to desktop, I will just select a random one and update logo. So that logo has been updated here. Now the favicon, you can choose the favicon. I will just select one, and the top bar email address, you can just type in your own email address, and that will abc@abc.com, and phone number, just put a random, whatever your institute number is, just write it down here. So I will, this, which will be shown on your website. So the banners, just you need to add banner for each and every page. So above, for the about page, I'm choosing just one banner, and that will be I'll be just doing selecting a random uh, image you can do from your own gallery, and I will change it. Just make sure to change every image you upload, that will be changed. So these are the banners for each and every page. So sidebars, you can um, give all the information here. Colors you can select for the theme, language, show or hide, and others. If you want to write your website name, or uh, the information for the talk live chat code, uh, if you are adding a chat system here. The other thing, I will just add page section, home page, sliders. I will go for the sliders, which must be somewhere here. These are the sliders. So there are no sliders here at the moment, so I will add sliders. Choose file, and I will just select a random uh, picture for the sliders as well, and heading, which will be showing on the top of the slide. So welcome to AMS. I will just all the information give the same one here. Button text, contact support, that will be the button text, and the URL. So URL will be your school. Button to text, you can do both the buttons or single button, it's up to you. If you submit this one, and now you can visit your website from here as well, and from your uh, EMS software as well. If you click on this website globe link, it will take you to the website. So that is the website, ABC Model School. That's the logo, and here are the pages. So login, sign up, everything, admissions, online admissions. These are the informations which I wrote in front of you. Welcome to AIMS. Welcome to AIMS. That's the button. Contact support. Uh, these are the video link which you can provide there. So all the stuff you can just have a look, and all the information will be uh, shown here on your system. These are the informations. These are the demo data, the demo data which has been imported. And if you check about, so you can change all of them from the admin panel. So like the photo gallery, you can add photos, testimonials, your team members, your subscribers, events, news, language, menu, portfolios, services, features. You can add all of them through your. It's so easy to understand. You can explore uh, very quickly and easily. Add another slider, and I will choose another flag. I will add this one, and proud is a part of AIMS. Proudly member of AIMS, and you can add any data, any kind of content as per your institute's presentations, and we'll explore AIMS. Button A B C D E F G myams.net. Contact, uh, https unos.net, and submit. So if you check your home button, home screen now, so there was one, and now that's the other one. Proud is part of AIMS, and ABCD, these are the buttons created from there. So that's how you can explore and manage your website. It's quite easy. That's your own link. You can share with your students, with your partners, staff members, and rest of the world. For your advertisement, for your promotions, in every sector you can manage by yourself without the help of any technical person or technical requirements. It's quite easy. Always open for support. You can contact us for support. Thank you very much for watching this video.